Good morning, children. Today in this class, we will discuss about the exercises. Previous class, we have discussed detailedly about the agriculture topic. What is agriculture? Importance of agriculture and methods of agriculture. Under methods of agriculture, we have discussed primitive, subsistentive, mixed farming, etc. And classification of crops, that is types of crops, and followed by farming in India with comparison to United States of America. Because India normally we hold small holding farming, whereas developed countries like United States of America, huge farms. So that we are discussing about the difference between farming in India and farming in United States of America. Right? Now this class we will continue with the exercises. Please take down children. I'll dictate the exercises. Under this they are given, one is answer the following questions and multiple choice, and third one is differences between. Number one is question answers. Number two is multiple choice, and third one is differences between. Children, all of you, please take down the exercises. Keep reading. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Take down the topic number agriculture. Chapter number 4, agriculture. Keep reading. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is agriculture? Question number 1. What is agriculture? What is agriculture? Question mark. What is agriculture? Number 2. Name the factors influencing. Name the factors influencing agriculture. Question number 2 is name the factors influencing the agriculture. That is question number 2. Name the factors influencing the agriculture. Third question is, what is shifting cultivation? What is shifting cultivation? Write down, children, all of you, please. What is shifting cultivation and what are its advantages? What is shifting cultivation? Question mark. And what are its advantages? What are its advantages? That is question number 3. What is shifting agriculture? Question mark. What are its advantages? And come to the question number 4. What is plantation agriculture? What is plantation? Plantation. Plantation. Plantation agriculture. What is plantation agriculture? And question number 5. Name the fiber crops. Name the fiber, F-I-B-R-E. Name the fiber crops. Name the fiber crops and and name the climatic conditions. Name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Required for their growth. And then you have to mention which are the fiber crops. Which are the fiber crops? Fiber crops are cotton, jute, silk, and hemp. Of course, in as per your text, they have mentioned only two. You write down cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the fiber crops and require climatic conditions required. That's the question. Name the fiber crops. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions. Name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Required for their growth. These are the 5 questions. I repeat, children, once again. Answer the following questions. Please take down. Number 1 is, what is agriculture? Number 2, name the factors influencing the agriculture. Name the factors influencing the agriculture. Third one is, what is shifting cultivation? What is shifting cultivation and what are its advantages? What are its merits? What are its benefits? What is shifting cultivation and what are its advantages? And fourth one is, what is plantation agriculture? What is plantation agriculture? The fifth one is, name the fiber crops. Name the fiber crops and name the factors. Name the factors required for their growth. Required for their growth. That is, these are the 5 questions given, children. Now coming to the second question, number 2. Here they are given 3 multiple choice questions. They are given 3 multiple choice questions. You have to choose the right answer. Question will be asked and answers will be given A, B, C. You have to find out the correct one. You have to find out the right ones. Write down. Keep reading. Second one, tick the correct answers. Number 1, horticulture means. Number 1, horticulture means. Number 1, horticulture means A, growing fruits and vegetables. A, growing fruits and vegetables. Growing fruits and vegetables. Growing fruits and vegetables. B, primitive farming. B, primitive farming. B, primitive farming. And C, growing of wheat. C. Growing of wheat. C. Growing of wheat. Number 2. Golden fiber refers to. Second one, children. Golden fiber. Golden fiber refers to. Golden fiber refers to A. Write down T. Option A. T. TEA. T. Option B. Cotton. Option B. Cotton. Option C. Jute. Option C is jute. A. T. B. Cotton. C. Jute. Clear? Golden fiber refers to. Golden fiber refers to three options given. A. T. B. Cotton. And C. Jute. And third one. Write down, children. Leading producer of coffee. Leading producer of. Leading producer of coffee in the world. The world is leading producer of coffee in the world is A. Brazil. 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 And B. India. B. India. And third option is Russia. Third option is Russia. The leading producer of coffee in the world is A. Brazil. B. India. And C. Russia. So the right answer is Brazil. Okay. And previous one is. That is golden fiber refers to T. Cotton, jute. The right answer is jute. And previous one is horticulture means growing of fruits and vegetables. Horticulture means growing of fruit and vegetables, primitive farming and growing of wheat. So right answer is growing of fruits and vegetables. Right? These are multiple choice questions. Now we'll go for third question is the differences between. Children, write down. Third question is differences between number one is primary activities and tertiary activities. Differences between primary activities and tertiary activities. Differences between primary activities and tertiary activities. Second one, subsistency farming. Second one is subsistency farming and intensive farming. Subsistency farming and intensive farming. Subsistency farming and intensive farming. The two definitions given. One is primary activities and tertiary activities. Primary activities means examples: agriculture, dairy farming, fishing, forestry. These are all primary activities. Tertiary activities means is business oriented. Is it business oriented? Service sectors, service oriented. They are not going to produce any goods. Whatever the primary sector is producing, the same production they are exchanging by trading, transporting from one place to another place by different types of trading. And it is roadways or railways as well as even seaways. So the difference between primary activities and tertiary activities. The last one is the subsistence farming and intensive farming. Subsistence farming and intensive farming. These questions, please children, just try to write. Just try to write as assignment, as a homework I am giving. Please try to write. If any problem, we will see after you come to the school. Clear? Thank you, children.